how to redeem and use One4all gift card online. So if you want to redeem and use One4all gift card online, then what you need to do is just simply open up your browser and then you need to search for oneforall.com and it will take you to this kind of interface, which is the website, right? Go with the login option, which is on the top right, and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, then you just need simply go with create an account and create an account right now. And after that, you can log in. Once you've logged into One4all account, now you just need to simply go with the top right, which has my gift cards option. And once you click on the button, then it will give you this kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down and go with our products, which is right here. So you just need to simply go with One4all gift cards. And here you will have all of the gift cards, right? You can simply click on any gift card that you would like to um, redeem. So for example, I'll choose the first one. Once you've selected the gift card, it might be a physical gift card or a digital gift card. So you just need to simply enter the card amount and then the quantity, and you can buy the gift card. But if you already have a gift card and if you want to redeem, then you just need to simply scroll down and here you will have the retailers, right? So you just need to simply select any retailers that you're comfortable with. I'll just go with Booth. And once you click on the retailer, here you will have view retailers, or you can just scroll down and here you will have all of the retailers. So you just need to simply click on view retailers and you need to select the card type, which is One4all gift card. And after that, select the category. I'll just simply choose health and beauty. And you just need to simply go with the retailer, go with the arrow, go with buy now, which is on the top right. Then just simply select an item and then go with add to cart. Once you go with add to cart, you need to proceed with your payment method. You can simply choose any payment methods that are right here and then go with proceed to checkout. And after that, enter your shipping address and scroll down and then go with next. Once you go with next, it will ask you for your contact information. So just enter your contact information. And then once you're on the payment page, then you will have an option to enter the code, the redeem code. So you can simply enter the code and then you'll be able to get a discount or redeem or use your One4all gift card. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.